Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I am Shake. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, click that bell to be notified whenever I make a video. So guys, in today's video, as you can see from the title or the thumbnail, it's gonna be my Shein haul, and kind of festive-ish because we have some festive kind of pieces. So I'll say my festive Shein haul, and it's gonna be a try on haul. We're not gonna get the haul out of the way because there's no electricity, so we gotta use up the sunlight, so I gotta get this video out of the way. Anyway, so I bought these pieces from Shein. I'm gonna be linking all of them down below in case you guys want to purchase them. I'm not getting any money from this, but you know, if Shein would like to, you know, sponsor you, girl, would be grateful, would really grateful. Anyway, so without further ado, we're gonna get into this haul. Yeah.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows.
Anyways, so guys, this is the package. I got this quite some time ago, and this package, to ship it, it was $1,900 additionally from the cost that you guys will be seeing. So just wanted to point that out. Anyways, so gonna be taking out the stuff out of my package, and I'll show you guys what they are. So it's not a huge order, so these are the stuff that I got. So yeah, just gotta pause for a thumbnail or some. So yes, these are the things that I got. So I'm gonna start with like the thing I don't have to pretty much unbox too much. So I'm gonna start with the case. So this is a glasses case. It is really cute. All right, and this is the price for it right here. I don't remember how much they were, so I'm just gonna have to pop them up on the screen. All right, so it's a glasses case, as you guys can see. And no, I don't have test glass. It's for my blue light glasses, which I'm gonna actually show you guys right now. So yes, this is what it looks like. Pretty cute. It seems sturdy enough to me. It just seemed like one of them ordinary test glass thing. So yes, and then this is the glasses that I ordered. So it's a blue light glasses. I'll put the information right here and the picture of it and so on. So it came in this little black case, which was really cute. I think it was really cute because I didn't have to even buy a case for it, if you realize, because it comes in a case. So let's unbox. Yay. And these glasses, guys, turned out to be a little smaller than I expected. Anyways, so I got the glasses, and in it we also got the cloth and a blue light testing thing. So yeah, got all of those things in it. So let's try on the glasses so you guys can see what it looks like. All right, so I bought the clear lens because the one I had before broke, and that is why I wanted one more. It was the same clear lens, but it was different. Let me show you. This is the one I had before, and it was kind of the square one. I'm gonna buy one more of these square ones, but if you realize, this part here is gone. I bought this from Amazon actually, and I bought it with 3. Yeah, so I bought it with 3, so I ended up buying back a clear lens. So let's try this on, see how we look in it. It's kind of dirty right now, but yeah, it fit me. I don't know, it fit me. So yes, this is what I bought. I don't know, does it fit me? I don't know, hopefully it does. But it's supposed to be a blue light glasses. I wanted something kind of different. Actually it looks bigger on the face than I actually thought it would look, so yeah. Alright, so that's the glasses and the glasses case, and I think it will fit because, as I said, the glasses is not big. So get out, it fits. Ta-da! Alright, so that's the first thing out of the way. Now to the clothing part of this haul. Let's start with a small package. This is a tights. It's what it's supposed to look like. So I bought this tights in 2X, I think. 2X. And at first I saw it, it looked big. But it's not that big. So we're gonna try it on. Alright, so I'm gonna lower the camera so you guys can see the tights. Yes, so it's a biker shorts. So you guys can see. It's just like normal biker shorts-ish, like, so yeah. Alright, so for the next thing I got is in this package here. Let's just close that. So this is the next package that I got. Bye. And this is a skirt. I've always wanted one of these skirts. It's called a skater skirt. So this is what it looks like. I just always wanted one of these skirts because I don't know, there's a lot of outfits that I can make from this skirt. Right now I'm thinking of one in my head, you know, those long sleeve blouse. I have like a white one, I have a black one, I have a blue cropped one, and like I'm like outfits that can be made from this. So this is the skirt. That's the price for it right there. So I'm really looking forward to styling this. So let's try this on so you guys can see what it looks like on me. So this is a skirt. It's, as I said, it's called a skater skirt. Right now I have on the red tights under it, but I wouldn't wear a red tights under it, and I probably wouldn't wear such a long tights, so it would show, so it would be like a shorted kind of tights. Like, then I'd have on my long sleeve and it would be pushed in instead of out. So something to this sort, like, you know, something like that. Cute. Yeah, got a vibe. Alright, so this skirt I bought also in 2X because my bottom area is like 2X and then the top is like 3X. Alright, so the next two things that I got, they are ow, oh my god. Anyways, so the next two things I got, they are matching sweaters for me and my sister. So yes, so they're matching sweaters for me and my sister. I'm not gonna open my sister's because it's the exact same thing. I bought hers in 4X because I wanted them oversized. So I bought hers in 4X and I bought mine in 3X because I want them to be oversized. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. This is it right here. Oh, it's cute, don't? I love it. I just love it. Alright, so I love sweaters. If you guys don't know, I love sweaters. They're so cute. Alright, so I'm gonna try on this and show you guys. It is very comfortable because as you guys can look at the inside of this, like, look at that comfort, man. I have a sweater, a blue sweater like this, and it is so warm. So I'm put on this, it's so warm. So yes, and it's just a long sleeve sweater. It's not a hooded sweater, which I wanted, but my sister don't like hood sweaters, and I want us to wear the same thing because she's buying one of the tights as well, so we're gonna wear it with tights. So yeah, curtain, like, you're just in a shot. Anyways, so yes, this is it, and this is in 3X. As I said, this is in 3X because the top I want to be big, so it's kind of oversized. Get off my foot. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So yes, this is what it looks like, and as you see, it kind of reach down here. Oh, It feels so soft. It is so soft. I can't wait to give my sister hers. Hers is for her birthday. So if you want to see her try on hers, you're gonna have to check out her channel. She got a channel and she's also doing Vlogmas, so check it out. Ooh. So yeah. Anyways guys, so that is the end of my little haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really love this sweater. It is so comfortable, so comfy. Anyways, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click that bell so you're notified whenever I make a video. Like this video, share, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.